welcome to my channel. Yeah, we're gonna start another vlog today. It'll be more sort of a sorting out my foldings. I've got a lot of clothing that I need to fold. My daughter's, mine. I mean, one of my passions is clothing fashion, the biggest passion actually in interior. I'm gonna make something for us to have this morning. I think it's going towards the afternoon now, but yeah, I want you guys to keep us company, and we're gonna be vlogging. My camera, some stuff going on with it, so there's not a lot of editing I can do. I've got a laptop, but I mean the speakers there is just not right. If I want to do like a voice over, it's not gonna work. So yeah, I'm gonna make something to eat, and hope you enjoyed this vlog, and leave us a like and make sure you subscribe. Guys, look at these. I'm embarrassed. Yeah. Guys, remember when I bought this frying pan? If you haven't watched my other videos, go ahead and watch, and you see that I had bought a set of 5 pans and pots and pans, and guys, I wash it reasonable clean, you know, and it just burns every time I use it. The beautiful blue gone. I cleaned the other day. I put some sausages in here, and it's already like this. I give up. I guess it's, you know, it is what it is. And if you are a homemaker, which is a, you know, a woman that cooks and look after the house, you know how it goes. Yeah, so that's that. I'm not dirty, it's just that it keeps doing it, so we're gonna roll with it. So guys, for today, I mean this morning, I'm making these Christmas, actually it's Christmas pigs in blankets, but I'm gonna be making today, it's like sausages rolled in this bacon sort of format. I think it's smoked bacon, and some eggs, and my daughter has with it because I'm trying to lose this weight that I put on. I mean, it's just really not me. I feel like a, I don't know what, a whale. So, and I need to lose this weight. So yeah, I'm going to start cooking these, put in a frying pan, and with eggs really, and mayo and all of that stuff that you guys know. So since my fiance passed away, I only crunch and munch on this gari cassava. If you're African, you know what cassava is. And it's like gari in a powder format. Let me show you. Where is it? I've got some here. So, and that was just bought yesterday, and look where it's at now. That's all I eat in coffee. So a lot of carbs. I mean, I don't even want to show you the value in terms of carbohydrate. Hey, Lord Jesus. 92 points. Oh Lord, no wonder why I'm swollen. Oh Lord, let's start. Oh my God, I'm depressed. And I'm addicted to that stuff, guys. I can't stop eating. Drop in the comments. What do I do? And I did psychology at university. I should be able to control my, you know, my urge and stuff. But let me sit you guys here, and I'm going to start cooking. I'll probably just make, how many? There's what? I'll probably just make 6 of it, of these. It's like the eggs instead. Yeah, it's probably going to need more protein and stuff. It's very oily. It's actually oozing some oilings in here. It smells fantastic. Made, is due, is made. So yeah, finish this with my little one. It's a life of two, guys. It's a life of two. Okay, I'm gonna make myself coffee and she'll have a drink of her choice in a bit. Flavor today, guys, is just what do you call this, Freya?
It's a slight of foggy weather because usually you'll see the tower.
Yeah,
that's over there with the red light.
Right.
But you can't see it anymore
because it's just foggy.
Even the building there, they're all the big lights.
Yeah.
There's usually only big lights at night time there, and you can't even see that.
I know. So and it's still early. It's like 3 o'clock. Yeah. Anyways.
It's just winter. It's just
winter. Are you finishing your food?
Yeah.
Good girl. I was attempting to have some rum noodles. Is it rum noodles or ramen noodles? Anyways. Is it called a rum noodles or ramen noodles?
Rum noodles. Ramen.
Alright. Whatever it is.
Not Roman, or else I'd be like back in history Roman.
This girl.
Roman.
She thinks she's an English teacher. Anyways.
I want to be a history teacher.
Alright. So I was attempting to have that, but as you can see, it failed. It was just burning. But I did have in the past. I liked it, but it's going in the bin. It was just, yeah, I'm gonna throw that away because, yep, not good. Some fresh basil. Some people say basil, but it's basil. I've got my sparkle there. Got this from Poundland. Yep, my mold. I've got these from Aldi yesterday. What else did I get from Aldi? I've got the honey from Aldi. It was ever so cheap. It was like 69 pence. I normally buy it for £3. Yeah, impressive. Also, they don't call Nutella, they call Nutoka. It's hazel chocolate spread, and yeah, I actually thought it was Nutella, but yeah, they fooled me there. All right. And then I've got some other bits and bobs. Got this from Poundland, vitamin for my daughter. I'll buy this for £1. I think it comes 7. I don't know, not 7. That's one a day for 7 days probably. So that's that. Yeah, my balsamic dressing, which I love, and the salads. I've got cabbage, these from Morrison's. Sweet. Oh. So some bananas. It was £1. They're tiny. I don't like very tiny bananas, but well, I'm really not supposed to be eating these because I don't want to put more weight on. Then my little one decided to munch on that already. The candy cane's gone, but yeah. And also I got this from Morrison's. Oh, there you go. These are ever so nice with some cheese if you're snacking. Nice. Alright. From Poundland. Guys, I actually thought it was like dog food. I was like, oh my god, I don't want to be eating dog food. Yeah, this sour cream, shaved, what do you say, shaved flavor. Yeah, so they're actually quite nice. I'm gonna have to organize all the shopping and I'll be back. So guys, I did some washing and now I'm going to organize this stuff here. I actually gonna throw it away. Just put this here. My cornflakes, because I watched this doctor. He was saying, you know, all these negative things about cereal and stuff, so I don't want to be feeding my daughter any more cereals in the morning. You know, all these white flour stuff and full of carbohydrates, also refined sugar and stuff. So yeah, I'm gonna bin these first of all. So my loves, all organized, and I'm about to end this video. I don't want it to be too long because editing is a nightmare. My phone is playing up. I don't use the computer because it's another story. Yeah, but we don't give up in this channel, no matter what. I'm pushing it, and it will be great for you guys to subscribe to the channel, because it takes a hell of a lot of work to put these small videos or large videos together. And I hope you're enjoying so far. Smash that like button and you might earn yourself a nut. Thank you so much, guys, and yeah, subscribe.